Why is it that the more someone hurts you, the harder it is to let them go? You see the red flags. You feel the pain, but still, you stay. This isn't about weakness, it's about wiring. Because your brain isn't in love with the person. It's addicted to the chaos they create. In this video, we're going deep into the psychology of toxic attachment, why we chase the people who break us, why your brain mistakes pain for passion, and how smart people break the cycle for good, why your brain loves toxic people. Let's start with the main question. Why does your brain love toxic people? The answer lies in dopamine, your brain's pleasure chemical. But here's the twist. Dopamine isn't released when you get love. It's released in anticipation that maybe they'll text back, maybe this time they'll change feeling. That's dopamine. Toxic people give love unpredictably. One moment they're warm, the next they're distant. This is called intermittent reinforcement, the same pattern used in gambling addiction. Your brain starts chasing those emotional highs, even if they come with lows. And just like that, you're hooked. Why are we so drawn to toxic people? Here's the next big question. Why are we so drawn to toxic people in the first place? For many, the answer goes back to childhood attachment patterns. If you grew up with emotionally unavailable or inconsistent caregivers, your brain now confuses inconsistency with love. That chaos feels familiar and safe. So when a toxic partner shows you affection, then pulls it away, it feels like home, even though it hurts. It's not love, it's trauma reenacted. Understanding that is key to breaking free. The ego trap. Here's another reason people stay in toxic dynamics. The belief that you can fix them. Toxic people often show flashes of vulnerability, and your ego tells you, if I love them hard enough, they'll change. But here's the truth. People don't change unless they want to. No amount of your love will fix someone committed to breaking you. That's not healing them. That's abandoning yourself. How do intelligent people deal with toxic people? Great question. How do intelligent people handle toxic people? First, they don't try to win them over. They set firm boundaries, limit emotional access, and stop seeking validation. Intelligent people understand engaging with toxic behavior feeds it. Instead of reacting, they detach emotionally and respond with clarity. And most importantly, they walk away without guilt. Because protecting your peace is not rude, it's necessary. How to shut up toxic people? Now, let's be clear. Shutting up toxic people doesn't mean arguing louder. It means removing your reaction because that's what they feed on. Toxic people thrive on your emotional energy. They provoke you to gain control. Want to shut them down? Respond with silence. Set boundaries. Stop explaining yourself. That's not weakness. It's power. How to break the cycle. So now you know your brain can literally become addicted to toxicity. But here's the good news. Anything that's wired can be rewired. Here's how you start. Number 1, become aware. Notice when you're chasing chaos. Ask, am I seeking love or emotional survival? Number 2, relearn love. Healthy love is consistent, calm, and safe. At first, it might feel boring. That's okay. Number 3, heal the inner wound. Therapy, journaling, or inner child work can help you unlearn toxic patterns. Number 4, raise your standards. Realize that love should never cost you your self-respect. And here are some final words for you, what I want you to remember. Love isn't meant to feel like a battlefield. If someone constantly makes you question your worth, that's not love. It's control. You are not hard to love. You are not too much. You've just been giving your heart to people who were never ready. But now you know better. And the moment you stop chasing red flags and start choosing green ones is the moment your healing begins.